I'm making this video to show you the results that I've had with ITN, International Traders Network. Their trade alerts that they provide. So I've been following them since September 26th. That's the time I deposited some funds to my account at 0.515445 Bitcoin, which right now is equivalent to $993. So I deposited that into the account. So it's been 27 days, and so far right now I'm gonna go to my balances, and now I have 0.2093122 Bitcoin. So it's 1374 in Bitcoin that I have now. So that's a $381 increase in 26 days. So that's it's about more than 30% increase in less than 30 days. Now I know that's not always going to happen. That's just been a very good 4 weeks. So obviously I know I'm not always going to receive a 30% increase every month. That would be great, but I know that the market's changed. So just so you guys know, that past results don't guarantee future results. And these are some of the trades that I'm still in. So there's about 9 trades that I am currently in. So I don't know. I mean, we might end the full 30 days a bigger profit. I'm not sure, but so far we're up about 30%. And I've had trade alerts from other companies in the past, and those were a little different. You did have to have more experience trading to place those trades. A person that's barely coming into trading won't really know how to place a trade. Some of you guys listening to this might be part of another company where you get trade alerts, or you've been of a company that gets trade alerts and maybe it didn't work out if you're not using them anymore. Let me show you an example. Let's say Encash. Let's say you received a trade alert from Encash. You received it in an email. So you would have to go to your Binance account, and you have to place that trade. So let's say it was Encash. So just type Encash, and they'll give you a entry point, a take profit, and a stop loss. Okay. So you would have to go to write a stop limit, and you would put the amount that they're telling you to get in. Let's say this is not the price you want to get in. They give you a specific entry point. You put the entry point here, and you'll put it here as well, and the amount that you want to purchase. So you figure out if you want to risk 5-10% of your funds. Then you put buy and cash. Then the order will be pending. Okay, so once it does hit the entry point, then you'll purchase that cryptocurrency. But once you but you don't get notified when you get entry point. You just have to be on top of it. You have to log into your account several times a day to check if it did enter that entry point. Now you would have to go to sell and put the take profit or the stop limit. Now this was the issue with me in some of the trades. I'll mostly just go for the take profit. I'll put the amount here that I want to exit according to the trade alert. I'll put it here as well, and the amount I'll put 100%, sell Encash. Then it'll be a pending order until it hits my take profit. Then is when it will sell for Bitcoin. But if I did that, I couldn't put a stop limit order. I mean a stop loss. If you don't put a stop loss, then if the coin drops 50%, let's say the trade alert said 30% stop loss, and I didn't do that. Let's say it went all the way to 50%. Well, the alert, technically we lost 30% if we would have put a stop loss. But if I didn't do that, now I'm about 50% at a loss because I didn't put a stop loss order. On Binance, you can't do that. You could either I'm gonna put the amount that I want to take profit or a stop loss. You decide what you want to do. But that's an issue that I had with the trade alerts that I would get from companies. Now it's not the trade alert company. It's just the exchange that I wouldn't be able to do that. So that was an issue. You would have to constantly be checking your account to see either if you wanted to get out of a take profit or a stop loss. But with International Traders Network, what I like is that you don't have to do that. You actually don't even have to log into your Binance account. You simply go to your website, the internationaltradersnetwork.com. You log in with a username and password. It's a subscription. It's $100 a month that you pay, or you could get like a discount if you purchase like 6 months in advance. For 6 months, it'll be like $500 for 6 months, so you get a month free. So on here, you would simply go to trading once you log in, and you do have to add your exchange keys. You add your Binance API key and secret key, so the system can be placing the trades for you. You go to license stats, you create new, so you'll have the trade alert in your email. You'll just get an email alert that will say there's a new trade. Please log into your back office to follow the trader. When you purchase a subscription, they give you a license key. It's the only one available here. And then you select the exchange. So I'm choosing Binance. Algorithm type is just one. You just follow the trader. And you can put the stop loss. You can put any amount that you want, 5%, 10%, whatever you want. I just keep it very simple. I just follow the trader. Whatever the trader has, that's what I put. His stop loss is 10. All right, I'm gonna put 10% then, because I want to have the same results as a trader. I don't want to be the expert. I just want to follow the expert and get the results from them. And then the label, you want to label it the pair that it is. So if it's BTC VIB, you just put BTC VIB, and then you would just click follow. Okay, you'll click follow, and then you'll just enter the amount that you want to purchase. So let's say I funded the account with $1,000. Let's say I want to put 10% per trade. So here I'll just put $100. It will automatically show you how much it is in Bitcoin, and it will show you how many of these coins you're buying. You'll click save, and you're done. That will automatically be following this trade that the trader has. So he already has the entry point set. He already has the take profit and the stop loss set already. So you don't gotta go into your account and be checking, hey, am I close to getting out on profit or the stop loss? You don't gotta do anything. The system automatically links it to the trader's alert that you're following. So you don't gotta do anything else but that. So that's a lot easier for me, and it's less stressful. I don't gotta worry about, oh man, is it gonna hit a bigger stop loss because I didn't put it? I only put the take profit. And this takes about a minute or 2 minutes to do, and it's a lot easier than other trailers that I've used, because the other ones wouldn't have a system like this. This is very easy. A rookie could do this. Someone that has never placed a trade on Binance could easily do this. It's very simple. And they also have the tutorial videos on how to add your API keys to your account, and they'll have a video as well explaining how to follow a trade. So it's very easy to do. You just copy what the video tells you, and yeah, that's basically it. That's my results that I've had so far. So again, this is the amount I deposited on 9/26, and so far right now my balance is this amount, 0.209. And the amount in the USD value, that does fluctuate. That's just depending on what the amount of Bitcoin is worth. But see, I don't really worry about this here. I worry about the amount of Bitcoin I have, because that's what really matters. How much Bitcoin you actually started with and how much Bitcoin you have now. Don't really worry about the dollars, because that could confuse people. You could come in with 993 worth of Bitcoin. Let's say you have the same amount of Bitcoin, but Bitcoin increased, and you might think, oh, I made some money with these trade alerts. No, you got to just look at the Bitcoin amount that you have now. That has to be more than what you deposited, so you know you're in profits. And we could see here the trade history. So these are the trade alerts that I've been in since we started. That'll show September, October 16, I'll show all the ones that look. Lend, it sold all of these. Okay, I bought into these, it sold that. And here's just the trade history of all the trade alerts that I've been in. And you see, you're getting into, sometimes every day you're getting into a trade or 1 or 2 trades, and then they sell like in a few days. Some of them will sell in 1 day. Some of them will sell in a few days or a week or a month. It really depends, but most of them are selling in a few days. You know, and obviously you are going to lose some trades. It's not 100% winning ratio. But so far, I do like the results because I'm up. I'm up a good amount in Bitcoin. So yeah, that's the end of this video. The name of the company is ITN, International Traders Network. And that's it, guys.